So yesterday I was on my way to the Funcom launch party for Dune Awakening, and in the mailbox it was finally arrived. Retrogamer magazine. So that's the issue 269 from February. And normally this magazine is available in the shop in Norway, but I did not actually know it had been released, so I was just informed by an American colleague, Josh, who's basically never buy this magazine, and for some reason he was in the shop and it was available, so he bought it. And next Monday he said, "Hey, you know what? I saw you in the magazine." So I did a back order. So that's a special issue about fighting games, which is definitely not what my game is. Homebrewer. Andrew Fisher has another great selection of games for you. So there are a bunch of things. Announcement of the Team 17 co-founder died, guy who makes worms. Advertisement, Mortal Kombat, I guess. Game museum. Looks like type of ZX Spectrum game. Street Fighter 2. Fighting game, so many fighting games. Magnetron. Budget games. Which reminds me I should finish my racing game on Zurich. Problem is I only had this type of curve. What I really wish is that I could do this kind of zigzag and have hills as well. It will look much better. Not sure if I can manage to do that at some point. Outrun, big classic. For the one who don't know, apparently there is a movie adaptation by Michael Bay coming at some point. I don't know what story you have, like maybe how did you get the car, why are you on a race around the USA? The robotic operating body. Be funny to see how it is in 2025. AI has gone kind of a lot. Oh, Shadow of the Beast. Amiga Classic. Yeah, all these are so much better on the Amiga than they are on the Atari ST. That being said, they are not great games. They look fabulous, they sound fabulous. I don't think Psygnosis gameplay is often good. Wipeout is very good. Zoop. Ranger X. Titus the Fox. So in France it was released as a different character. But I guess that did not match the sensibilities, or it only worked in France. Cannon Fodder, very good as well, at least on the Amiga. I wonder if that would work on the Rick in AISC mode. Batsugan. Pinball Underground. More pinball. Parking Garage Rally. Game developer. Oh, it looks like XCOM. Silent Hill 3. That's definitely not retro. Well, actually, 2003, I guess. Time flies. Oh, and by time flies, today, the 1st of May, which means I've been in Norway for 20 years. I landed in Oslo at the airport on May 1st. And here we are, the Homebrewer's kit. You can see this photo, which is a bit, I mean, it's like during early COVID, so like 5 years picture. So yeah, it's nice to have an article. in a time where everything can be faked, you can make your own PDF, things can disappear because somebody does not like the Internet Archive. It's nice to have some paper thingy, you know, the kind of thing you can show to your grandkids, which I don't have. Yeah, so very, very happy. And I've been told that there may be an article in the Spanish adventure magazine CAAD, C-A-A-D, so we'll see how that goes, and I hope I can get the magazine printed version as well. Yeah, another famous one if you're on Twitter. We are all following each other on social media. Computerized cardboard, board game. Many of them have been converted to computer stuff. And that's it. That was Retrogamer magazine.